Top 7 Ways to Make Money Online. Making money online has become a viable option for many people seeking flexibility and independence. There are numerous ways to earn money online, and the best method depends on your skills, interests, and available time. Here are some popular and effective ways to make money online. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing allows you to use your skills to earn money by working on projects for clients. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients who need work done in areas like writing, graphic design, web development, and digital marketing. If you have specialized skills, such as copywriting or coding, you can find well-paying gigs on these platforms. 2. Selling products online. You can sell physical or digital products online through platforms like eBay, Etsy, or Amazon. If you're creative, consider making handmade goods and selling them on Etsy, or you could source products in bulk and sell them on Amazon or eBay. For digital products, you can create and sell e-books, printables, or software, which require minimal overhead. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. To get started, you can sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Sharezel. By sharing these affiliate links on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel, you can earn passive income when people purchase through your links. 4. Online surveys and market research. While online surveys won't make you rich, they can be an easy way to earn extra cash. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox pay users to complete surveys, watch videos, or test products. Signing up for a few of these platforms can provide a consistent, albeit small, stream of income. 5. Virtual assistant. Many businesses, especially small ones, hire virtual assistants to help with administrative tasks such as email management, scheduling, and customer service. You can find VA positions on job boards like Indeed or specialized platforms like Belay or Time, etc. This is a great option if you have strong organizational skills and enjoy helping businesses run smoothly. 6. Content creation. If you enjoy creating videos, writing, or podcasts, you can monetize your content through platforms like YouTube, Medium, or Patreon. By building an audience, you can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and donations. Successful content creators often diversify their income by selling merchandise or offering paid subscriptions. 7. Online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, consider offering tutoring services online. Platforms like VIPKid and Chegg Tutors connect educators with students needing assistance. This is a great option if you have expertise in subjects like math, English, or science. These are just a few of the many ways to make money online. With persistence and dedication, you can turn these methods into sustainable sources of income.